Welcome back to Electrified Deliveries, and welcome back to Monday versus Tuesday, Tuesday edition. If you recall in my last video, I made $59.13 in 3 hours. I'm coming out for 3 hours again, and we're starting off with this one, $10.40, 27 minutes. I debated on it, but I took it anyway. Let's get it off to a good start. Am I good to take this one, Uber for Candace?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Have a nice night.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. Just grabbing the picture. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great night.
Thank you.
Thank you. Tuesday is not shaping up to being a good night. Slow start. Took me a little bit to get that first offer. Finally got one. Now 15 minutes later, I got this one. $12.06, 29 minutes. It's not too bad, but these breaks in between orders are gonna kill me tonight. Hopefully we can get on a roll. Let's go grab it. Uber Eats for Andrea? Sure. Awesome. Thank you. Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, we're good. Thanks. Yep.
See, that one is. There's a DoorDash here. Oh, is that DoorDash? No, it's an Uber. Which one's
Where's the number? 94264.
That's 92. There you go.
Perfect. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Okay, sorry.
As soon as we drop both of those orders off, I got this one. $5 and a penny for 11 minutes. If anyone knows me, anyone's watched this channel before, you know I love to do orders that are under 10, get them done, move on, and cash in.
Nice guys, be happy. You're Uber.
I'm Uber.
The name?
It's Nikki.
Your name is Kevin, right?
I'm Kevin, yes.
What boss?
Perfect, thank you.
Hey, I'm here.
That pickup was super easy. It was just a bag of milk. Yes, I said that, a bag of milk. We have bagged milk in Canada, and that's what she wanted. But I also wanted an add-on, and I got it. $6.32 for 15 minutes. Let's go grab the second one. Hi, Uber Eats for Jessica. Yeah. It's ready? Perfect. Thank you. You too. So I've spent the last 45 minutes waiting for an offer. I've got some offers, they were not good. The only decent offer was $14 for a half hour. Sounds good, but it was taking me so far away. It would have taken me 25 minutes just to get back. No thank you, wasn't interested, but I got nothing. This video shouldn't be Monday versus Tuesday. This should be Tuesday is the worst day to deliver. I'm not doing another Tuesday for a very, very long time, at least until it picks up. My grand total tonight, $33.79 versus yesterday, $59.13. Monday, clear winner, and that wasn't even good for a Monday. Why am I wasting my time? Not interested. I'd love to know your comments. Are Tuesdays worth going in your market? For me, obviously not good at all. But if you could like and subscribe to the video, I would appreciate it. And I can't wait to get back out here on Friday, where we're gonna have, hopefully, a money-making day. The weekend I had was stellar. Now I'm coming into this type of a... The weekend I had was stellar. Now I'm coming into this kind of... Ugh.